All right, you here with your boy Big Short Fix. It's your boy Rich. About to get this money today, man. Look, check this out. So if you want to get a water pump off, the best way to do it is put it in between this bolt right here. If you don't have nothing else to hold the water pump still, if it keeps sliding, you go ahead and put your crowbar like that on there. And go ahead and get your 36
millimeter.
Boom. And you simply just go turn it right off. Then when you get it off, to the left. Make sure you go to the left. It's Crown Vic.
And then don't forget, y'all, we have to take that off with it.
Yeah, and the fan also come off with it. Fan trowel also come off with it. Okay, now you want to take off the water pump.
Make sure
that's gonna be a 10.
Finish taking off.
Go ahead and take
13 to finish taking off the water pump. So.
Yep, easy money. Here with your boy Short Fix Auto.
Don't forget your 13.
Now you got your 13. Easy money right here from this part on. This part nothing but easy money right here. So now we got all bolts off. You know it's pretty jam shaft in there because you got your ceiling. So now you get your crowbar. Put it I'm gonna get one too to help you out real quick. Now we just gotta hit it. Get up in that little shit.
Shut the way.
Oh yeah. All that rust and that. Go ahead and take the crowbar and pull out on it. Yeah, get that out the way. I don't want all that on my.
You got a wire brush?
Yeah. I'm gonna scrape it off with this too. I'm gonna start scraping it. Nah, this ain't the good one. I'm gonna start scraping it with this real quick, getting it off. Start scraping the surface. Scrape the surface of it. Go ahead and seal that part down. We're going to put sealing around here with the
gasket.
With the gasket around there.
You can go ahead and take
and do the water pump. I mean the thermostat.
Got that new thermostat right there. Easy. 2 10s. Take that right on up. Place it. Make sure you put it in the proper way.
Yes, sir. They need a whole. Bolts. You got that one too? Thermostat. There's nothing going there too, I'm sure.
What's that?
Nah, I just put it up. So there's thermostat.
On there.
It's your old thermostat. Let me see if it's even closed. How you know? Oh, I can't really tell. It's motherfucker holy crusty. Don't flex that too much because you don't want it to, tear or wear. Yeah, get that surface. Both sides, I'm gonna get it. We're in the corner, no, because their location is a small business owner too. I'm gonna get the ceiling too, right now. Yeah. Now you want to hit that with sealing. We got our new water pump on, guys. Let's go ahead. You don't want to get all. You want to go around the whole thing. Yeah, nigga doing YouTube. He still ain't got no videos on it. This motherfucker, there'll be hell like a motherfucker to put on. How many you yeah. You got it recorded? Right here. Right here. You got it recorded?
Fake stuff like this, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It took years, yeah. Years of in the field. I was trying to